It'll be sick, good content, great footage. Oh, I have you guys bouncing on the tractor right now on the wheel. It's pretty, look. Got you guys sitting right there. Perfect. Good morning, guys. It is 10:30 in the morning and that's shit. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal. If you're new here, I'd really love if you could hit that subscribe button. Today I am going to Warburton, which is like a river. I've never been there before, so I'm gonna have some fun. Take you guys with me, take some footage. It'll be sick, good content, great footage. Oh! It's gonna be like 30 degrees. I'm trying to get a tan today. Actually, I have been trying to get a tan for the last couple of days. I'm gonna have to put on sunscreen again today. I do take medication that I'm not allowed to be out in the sun much, but let's see how much we can tan and not get burnt. This is like our first little outing since lockdown, so this will be fun. Oh, I've probably got the worst background at the moment, but anyway, you might see this. Ew! Just a fucking leaf. This is funny as I should do this more often. Anyways, I feel weird and out of place because I'm in like a shirt and it's showing my boobies and I'm not liking it. I'm in like shorts and stuff too. Anyway.
Oh, good day. What are we filming?
Just today.
You're just vlogging?
Yep.
We're vlogging.
I know, thank you. Baby.
Howdy.
Your tattoo looks cool though. Am I? Cool. We're off now. We're off. I've said that last time, but sick. Oh my god, that's fucking sick. There's like, oh my god, it's rocky.
Deeper than I remember.
Oh, this is shaking. I'm getting off. Oh, babe, don't, please don't. No, no, no. Ba, ba, ba.
Wait, come
Oh,
on.
no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's safer here. I'm safe here. That is so wobbly. No wonder no one's up here.
It's a suspension.
Yeah, well, I don't like suspensions.
It's literally called Swing Bridge.
Oh, I didn't see that.
That is deeper than I remember, but I can see the rocks and it's shallow. I want to jump somewhere.
It looks so nice. I don't know about floating down. It's a bit scary. Look how cute this little thing is. Aww. I don't know why I put gorillas there, but that's alright.
Just telling you what's around.
Oh no, they're
Platypuses and gorillas, apparently.
Are they gorillas?
No.
No, they're just platypus. Lol. They look like gorillas. Surely if you just dunk it in the water and take it out, it'll be alright anyway.
I don't know about that. There's holes on the front.
It's apparently waterproof.
So I don't trust this. One of these is going in the water. GoPro, if I put this underwater and it fucks up, you owe me another one.
Yeah, 110%.
You remember you said that? Yeah. And have a good swim.
See?
Should be right. Didn't turn off, which...
Just take the lens off so the water will run out.
No, it's in there. That's the speaker. Didn't turn off. I'm surprised if it didn't turn off.
No, it's fine. It'll be
And I
good.
gave it a good second.
They're waterproof.
Well, that's cool.
So fucking cold, babe. I'm not getting like all the way. No. Holy fuck, no. I feel like my camera's so not doing justice, but... That's really cute here. I get swept away.